Hi there, Ralf with Stray Benzes. Mini episode here from me to you. I have found one more little thing that is a nuisance to me, maybe not to others. Anyhow, the one night I locked everything up, opened the hood, and was totally surprised that the alarm didn't come on. It's like, what? I saw the switch for the hood switch for the alarm, and didn't come on. It's like, all right, let's investigate. I finally have some time. I'm still waiting for those unbloody pieces of sheet metal to fix the jack points. But here's what I found. So that here, this switch is the one for the alarm. There's no light or anything else. The only function is the alarm system. So once this goes up, this closes the contact and tells the alarm systems like, oh, if everything is locked, it tells the alarm system somebody is monkeying around with your car. Now, where do I find the alarm system? I'm glad you asked. It is right here. You have to remove the floor mats, and then you have this doohickey here that's in place, and right in here is a large nut, 10mm hex. You loosen that, and voila, you get behind a couple of control units. A couple of things have to do with the engine control, but that is the safety and security system for everything on the car. And I found this plug unplugged, and it's like, you know what, let's see, maybe it was disconnected because it's malfunctioning or something. Not sure why they disconnected it. Maybe they were annoyed by the alarm system, because if you don't pay attention to it, it can go off on you. But I wanted to make sure this works, because why not? It's on there. Even the radio, the original radio, has like one single contact that is also connected here to the alarm system. It's a ground. If anyone yanks out the radio, why the car is sitting, the alarm system will go off. So that's another nifty safety system that Benz devised, and Becker. But I'm just going to confirm that the alarm system is actually working, and we do that. I reconnected the plug. So if everything is okay, what should happen, once I close the door, and let me close the hood gently, just to the first point to close the contact. Central locking system is working again. There you go. So now the alarm system is hot, and if I open the hood now, let me just already have the key in my lock, because I don't want to tick off the neighbors too bad. So everything is locked. Let's see what happens when I open the hood. There you go. There we go. So the alarm system still works with a car that's 39 years old. Pretty nifty, if you ask me. And yet another thing that was brought back to factory standard, which I like doing. I only take shortcuts if it absolutely has got to be that way. But yeah, that concludes the alarm system. I'm happy to report it works. You saw, horns go off, lights flash. Back in the day, that was the cat's meow. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this mini episode of how to troubleshoot the alarm system, because most if you buy the car and you haven't messed around with it, then most likely it was somebody else who messed around with it. And anyhow, so the once you remove the cover plate in the passenger like room where the footers go, you see if the plug, the big plug, has been disconnected, reconnected, and see what happens. And then the telltale sign is if indeed you lose charge on your battery, because that's about the only thing that I could suspect might have caused somebody to mess around with the alarm system, disengaging it. But there are more disadvantages to disconnecting the darn thing, and then there are more disadvantages if you disengage that thing. It's better to have it fixed. So have a good day. Let me know what other episodes you might like, or troubleshooting advice for certain things that I might have overlooked. I'm usually way too fast, and then I babble and do all kinds of things, and then later on it's like, oh God, that might have been interesting to the viewers. So don't be shy, write me a note, what you like, what you don't like. I don't get offended. I don't have any dignity to begin with. So take care and keep the nice old cars on the road.